So in this video we're going to be talking about indexing, which is how we can access elements in a structured data type. I'll explain what all this is in the video, but for now I think we should just get straight into it and learn about indexing. Right, so let me reset the timer and we can get straight into talking about indexing. Right, so what is indexing? Indexing is how we can access values in a list or a similar data type. Now, I think it's in the next video where I'm going to be talking about lists, but for now just know a list as you know a normal list. So apples, oranges, fruit, as long as it's in some kind of ordered structure. Indexing starts at 0 though, not 1, so the first item on your list, say your shopping list, is not going to be numbered as number 1, it'll start as number 0. So here's a quick example. If our list goes apples, oranges, pears, grapes, pineapple, and say let's call that our shopping list. The first item on our list, which is apples, is not item number 1, it's item 0. Oranges is 1, pears is 2, and so on so on. So although there's 5 elements in this list, the last element has the index of 4 because we start at 0. This is something that goes across, I think, all high-level programming languages, so it's something you kind of want to remember. But once you get used to it, you'll get used to it, so don't worry about that. Just remember that indexing starts at 0. So that's all I wanted to cover for indexing, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which I believe will be about lists.